when you're alone feeling stressed. You gotta pay attention to the sign. See like the blind spot when the blind. I don't wanna let your baby mama take a picture. Cause I'm the type of baby that's gon' fuck the baby shit.
Hold it, got the dumb pig, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face, wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so hot, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know. So now we're best friends, you know. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you can follow me on my social media to keep up with me outside of YouTube and all that good stuff, okay? So right now I'm showing y'all that my hair looks crazy. Just took it out of a puff that I've been wearing for like the past 2 days. So to start off this perm rod set, I am going to put my hair into 4 sections. And I'll be spraying my hair throughout with a little bit of water that has some conditioner in it, just to make sure that my hair can be easily detangled, girl, because my hair tangles for no reason over and over again. So yeah, once I do that, I will start my perm rod set. And just to let y'all know, I did get these perm rods off of Amazon because I didn't feel like going out to the store to buy any. So I have linked them in the description box down below if you want to buy the same ones. So now that I have my hair all sectioned up, I'm going to be spraying my hair a little bit more with the same stuff, the water and the conditioner, because for me personally, I can't do these type of sets on dry hair. So my hair has to be a little damp so my hair actually absorbs whatever product that I'm putting in. So before you do this, make sure that your hair is fully detangled. So I'm taking my time right here detangling it with a wide tooth comb. And then I'm going to section my hair into 3 sections. And I will be doing flat twists all over my head. So I got this method from a girl on YouTube here. I'm gonna put her name on the screen. Right here I'm just showing you what my section looks like, and I'm gonna put the other section away. But yeah, I'm literally following her exact method, okay? Because her perm rod set came out wonderfully, and she actually inspired me to do this as well. So yeah, right here I'm showing y'all the perm rods, and y'all look at this mess. Like, what? I didn't even pull it off hard. Like, I was just trying to open the daggone perm rod, honey, so I can use it. But baby, like, I don't know if Amazon set the girl up, so I was like, let me try this again. Because what the freak, like, it should not have broken like that. But I was able to put it back together, thank God. But like, Amazon, don't play the girl. Like, don't send me no cheap stuff. But anyways, here's the product that I'm using. Just use any product that you like for your curls that's gonna actually clump your curls up. So that's the type of texture that this cream has. It's really good. It smells really good. And I got it from a goodie bag at my job. So I can't even tell you how much the product costs or where I got it from. Because, yeah, girl, I didn't get it from the store. But basically, all I'm doing is putting a little bit of product, a tiny bit of product in each section. And then I'm going to brush my hair out with my damming brush. You don't want to put too much product in your hair because you don't want your hair to be too wet, because then it will take forever to dry. And nobody got time for that, okay? So once I do that, I'm just going to smooth the product through my hair, brush it out, and then I'm going to put a flat twist in. And I'm going to come back to you guys when it's time to put the perm rod in. So now that we are at the end of our flat twist, we are going to be putting 2 perm rods on each twist, okay? So don't do this, y'all. I don't know, it creeps me out putting my hair on my lips. I don't know, it just creeps me out. But make sure that you clip your hair away so you don't have to do this. I did this because the girl whose video I watched, I don't know how to pronounce her name and I don't want to butcher it. She did this, but it made me feel like my lips was gonna break out. I don't know. But anyways, once you smooth your hair out, you're going to get your perm rod and you're going to flatly wrap your hair around the perm rod. make sure your hair is smooth, and then you're gonna roll the perm rod up. That's gonna make sure that your hair doesn't fall off the perm rod. And then, so your hair can kind of have a spiral to it, you're gonna twist it twice and continue to roll it up. And to make sure that the perm rod doesn't move, you want to take the perm rod string or whatever and put it on the back of the perm rod, and it shouldn't move much. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna keep repeating the same process until my entire head is done. So I'm gonna stop rapping to y'all now that I've explained it and let y'all watch, because I know some of y'all are visual learners. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all in a second. Y'all look crazy, okay? So I am now about to sit under this heated cap. If you watched my last video, my Amazon haul, you know exactly where I got this from, how much it cost and all of that. So if you want all the info, go ahead and go watch that video. It'll either be linked in the, it's always linked in the description box below. So now that these are done, one thing about me, I don't like sleeping in perm rods because they're hard and they hurt, and I gotta sleep comfortably. Even though they're up here, I honestly probably could have slept comfortably, but we ain't gonna risk it. So now I'm gonna put this on. Honestly, before I do that, I'm gonna put the band that they give me so my ears and my forehead is protected. Because if these perm rods get hot, I don't want them burning me. So I'm gonna put this on. It is Velcro, so be careful that you don't Velcro your hair. And I'm just gonna push it back so I can actually see what's going on. And yeah, now I'm gonna put it on. I look crazy, I know. And it comes with the attachment to click onto your blow dryer. So just gonna put my blow dryer in there, and I'm gonna put it on low and high heat so I don't have to sit here for 1,000 years. I am having a party at my house today. It's currently like 12 p.m. So hopefully this is done by 3. If not, I'm just gonna be walking around with perm rods in my head because they got to dry so my video could be lit, okay? So yeah, I look crazy, but I'm about to blow it up right now. So y'all can see what it looks like. I hope you can hear me, but yeah, I'm about to sit here for a couple of hours. Let me not yell at y'all. I didn't know if you was able to hear me, but yeah, I'm about to literally sit here, edit the part of this video and some other things that I have to do for another sponsorship. And I'm gonna catch y'all when my hair is completely dry, okay? I'll be back later.
We were too good then, right? When you're alone, feeling stressed. So we go jogging every morning, and she make me breakfast almost every morning. Trade my 4x4 for GC3, ain't no more free ski. I can't not like I don't rap about killing and dope, and I'm telling my young niggas want us with it, and that's why they mad. Shawty want to be famous, don't it? Till she going to Cali for her name up on it. I don't want to let you baby mama take a picture, cause I'm the type of baby that's gonna fuck the baby.
Okay, you guys, so it's getting fuller as you can see, but I like my hair big, so I'm gonna sit here and keep pulling at it, keep messing with it. But I'm also about to go get dressed. I love it. These curls, this is like the lightest, fluffiest, curly rod set, either if it was like a perm rod or a flex rod set I've ever had in my life. The curls are so full and bouncy. It literally only took like 12, 1, 2, it kind of only took like 2.5 hours, if that, to dry under the heated cap. Because y'all, if y'all know, if y'all been keeping up with me, I have been drinking a ton of water lately. So girl, I spend most of my time in the daggone bathroom, like on the toilet, because I have to keep peeing because of how much water I've been drinking. So yeah, I wouldn't even say it took the whole 2.5 hours because I had to keep stopping. I ate breakfast with my family, so I wasn't even under the cap the entire time. But y'all, I know y'all see these curls. I know you see it. I know you see it. And my hair smells so good because of that cream. I probably already told y'all earlier that that cream was a gift from my job, so I really have no idea where it's from. But yeah, y'all, I love my hair. It's so freaking sticking cute. I deserve to be on a freaking magazine somewhere for like curly natural hair because it's what? Girl, we cute. Oh, I'm so excited. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, and shout out to the girl who I follow for this tutorial because she's amazing, because this came out perfect. Like, come on. Yeah, look at the shrinkage though. It's crazy. Okay, bye y'all, because I'm talking too much now. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye mamas. Hope y'all enjoyed. Mwah.
Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it. They all in my face when I know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.